Unaweza pita mbele ukiweza. Sorry. Asanti. Mombasa vlog.
But it's not deep. Totally deep. It is there somewhere. Shallow is not deep.
No, even I got some there. No, I'm not.
That's Swahili English. Yeah, before you go, you have to run 1 or 2. This is deeper now. Asante. No, we are not through it. So, how do you feel about Mombasa? Is it hot for you?
No.
Okay. Oh, nice. How's the biryani?
The biryani was very nice. Like
Yeah. Okay. The people of Mombasa, they love eating that.
Yes?
They love eating that here, biryani. You can take a look at the ocean now. Oh, okay. Let's go. Let's go. No, tomorrow.
Today because it's
Today. Target. Tenge in Mombasa. This is historic, eh? Yeah, the manager he told you that.
I told you you can do fishing.
Yes, yeah. You see?
And
I told you can do fishing here.
Yeah.
Banana for lunch. Banana for
What's banana?
banana for lunch.
Banana for lunch. No, not banana for lunch.
Bana.
The kind of
Kombako. Oh. Poa.
No, sailing and tobacco. What kind of food is it? Which one? The other one.
Thank you. Lakini amefurahia ameona bahari.
Kuna bididi huko. Tunamtoa bahari.
Appa, how are you?
You have fans everywhere. Have you seen that?
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Okay, then you just give So Nangi is good. Nangi is good. What's good? Wakato.
Kutafuta shot.
The best shot.
Okay, you can talk to.
Where?
So. Okay, okay. Let's take it from TikTok.
You come and get. Take a photo. You take.
Sawa, let me take it. Haya.
So.
Okay. No, I cannot. Namakukena nimakuona. Ni fan wa dad na watu kama fan pio. Sawa. Oh, nice. Plaza Beach Hotel. Nimekaa sana bila kufanya vlog. Yeah. Yeah. Come.
Rango. Yeah? Yes.
Hey, sorry. Nikupiga na kamera. Oh, ulikuwa kwanza. Acha nione. Sawa.
Yeah, so guys, welcome to Plaza Beach Hotel. It's one of the biggest hotels in Mombasa. There are a lot of activities here. There's an ocean across there, beach, swimming pool, everything. This is the manager. From here, yeah, no problem. You go to a room, you rest, have shower, then you start relaxing. You speak because it's the manager. Yes.
Yeah, welcome to the Plaza Beach Hotel. My name is Daniel Ogechi. I'm a sales and marketing manager. So this is Plaza Beach. We have several facilities you will enjoy during your stay. We have the swimming pool. Yeah, you're gonna enjoy it. Yeah, we have the spa. We have the bars. You want to do this? We have a big ocean.
Okay.
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Yeah, you see it right after the interview.
After this interview, yes. So the staff are friendly. During your stay, you see them taking you through where you're going to take your food. They give you a good service. This is a 4-star hotel. Yeah, that means the service is super. Yeah. So when you go out there, just spread the word that Plaza Beach is the best beach.
Okay.
Even Pacific from here. Plaza best. What? What?
Plaza Beach.
Let's go again.
Is the best in
Mombasa.
Mombasa.
Yeah.
Yes, it's true.
Okay.
Shall I have something to say?